Day 2 is one of the most interesting days of creation, in my opinion. It says that God separated the waters from the waters. Now, there's a lot of different ideas and theories about what this means. Some people say that this refers to the waters in the atmosphere, such as the clouds and precipitation that we see in our natural water cycle. Others say that this might have been a canopy around the earth that was burst at the flood, so we don't have it anymore. Still others, there's another theory out there that says there's a shell of water around our universe. That actually means our universe is not infinite, but rather finite. I don't really know exactly which one it is, and it doesn't necessarily matter to us today. But what day 2 really makes me think of is that God is so big and so beyond us that we will never understand everything about him, nor everything that he does. The other thing that he does on day 2 is he creates an expanse between the waters that he calls heaven. Like I said, day 2 is a challenging day of creation to fully understand. But there's a lot of beauty and just awe-inspiring work that God does on day 2. But we're not going to understand it all. But that actually makes sense when you think about the universe and the world that you can see today. Look at the waters. Day 2 talks about waters. Look at the ocean. The ocean is one of the things on our own planet that we know the least about. We know a lot about the ocean, but we probably haven't even scratched the surface on what there is to know about God's creation. Look at the heavens above us. Look at the expanse of the universe. There is so much out there that we don't know, that we can't understand. And that's okay, because those created things remind us of the God who is above those and who's beyond those. And yet, while God is hard to understand in some ways, he wants to know you, and he reveals a lot about himself so that you can know him. And that is a humbling and exciting thought. And so let's take our central focus today and every day on letting creation remind us of our great God and his awe-inspiring character.